The third strategy is to evaluate the data, the evidence that disciplinarians use to produce their insights. Just as insights and theories are skewed, the data on which they are based is also skewed. And our job is to identify this skewedness. Some researchers omit important data, or they don't collect certain types of data that may have been helpful. They don't collect it because it isn't relevant to the scope of their problem, or at least they don't think it's relevant. Or because it isn't popular in their discipline. It isn't a preferred type of data or a preferred way of collecting the data. Some disciplines value types of data that are considered inappropriate by other disciplines. The humanities, for example, value qualitative data, but the natural sciences don't appreciate qualitative data as much as they appreciate quantitative data. Now, the social sciences value both types, but they too lean toward the quantitative types. The values of a discipline or a category of disciplines then impact the type of data that researchers collect and how they analyze that data. The textbook recommends that we ask 2 questions to help us evaluate the data we encounter. 1, what counts as data, as evidence in this discipline? And does the example we have right in front of us meet the criteria? 2, what kind of evidence is this author omitting? Evidence that could shed additional light on the problem. What are they missing?